비동사 am, is, are 플러스 부정사 not. 줄임말은 반말 뉘앙스. 나는 I am, I'm. 나 추워요. I am cold, I'm cold. 나는 아니다. I am not, I'm not. 나 안 추워요. I am not cold, I'm not cold. 그는 he is, his. 내 남동생은 고양이를 무서워해요. My younger brother is scared of cats. He's scared of cats. 그는 아니다. He is not, he's not, he isn't. 내 남동생은 고양이를 무서워 안 해요. My younger brother is not scared of cats. He's not scared of cats. He isn't scared of cats. 그녀는 she is, she is. 케이티는 바빠요. Katie is busy. She's busy. 그녀는 아니다. She is not. She's not. She isn't. 케이티는 바쁘지 않아요. Katie is not busy. Katie isn't busy. She's not busy. 그것은 it is, it's 11시예요. It is 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. 그것은 아니다. It is not. It's not. It isn't. 11시 아니에요.
It is not 11 o'clock. It's not 11 o'clock. It isn't 11 o'clock.
우리는 we are, we're. 줄리와 나는 좋은 친구예요. Julie and I are good friends. We are good friends. 우리는 아니다. We are not. We are not. We aren't. 줄리와 나는 좋은 친구 아니다. Julie and I are not good friends. We are not good friends. We aren't good friends. 당신은 you are, you're. 당신은 최고입니다. You're the best. You're the best. 당신은 아니다. You're not. You're not. You aren't. 당신은 최고가 아닙니다.
You are not the best. You aren't the best. You're not the best.
그들은 they are, they're. 그들은 학생입니다. They're students. They're students. 그들은 아니다. They're not. They're not. They aren't. 그들은 학생 아닙니다. They're not students.
They're not students. They aren't students.